children. Hi. How are you? Are you watching our videos daily? Okay. Observe and listen carefully and complete the worksheets daily. Okay children? Now I am going to explain about family. This is our third lesson in EVS. Okay children? Come, let's start our lesson. What is your third lesson name, children? Third lesson name is family. Okay children? Listen carefully. What is a family? Children, do you know? Family means mother, father, children. Living together is called family. What is a family? Mother, father and children all living together in one place is called a family. Okay children? So family is an important unit of society. This is very important in the society. What is that? That is family. Okay? Family is very important in the society. It holds an important in our social life. It holds an important place in our social life. Okay children? So family means mother, father, children all together living in a place. What is a place? The place is a house. Where we are living, in our house we are living. So mother, father, children all living together in a place. What is the place? It is a house. In that house, that is called family. Okay. Family is very important unit of society. Okay children. Family holds a special importance in the social life. So family is a place where you learn many things. Okay. Before you are entering into the school, who will learn? Who will tell how to eat? Who will tell this is a good thing, that is a bad thing? So your parents. So family is the first school. Okay children, where you will learn many things. After that, school. Okay. So mother, father live with their children. Yes or no? Your mother is staying with you or she is staying somewhere else? In your house only, no? Your mother, your father and you are living together. Okay. So mother, father are parents. Who are they? Mother, father are parents. Okay. What we call mother, father are parents. We call them as parents. You are the children. Okay children? So families are also in many types, in different types. Now we will see them in detail. Okay children? Now look at this picture children. What is this picture? What is the name here? Small family. So just before I said no, families are of different types. In that, small family, joint family. Now we are going to discuss. What is the picture here? Father, mother and children. Only one child. Okay. So these three members in a family. So it is called a small family. Okay. So how many members are there in this small family? Children, say. Count 1, 2, 3. 3 members in a small family. Okay. So what is the name of this person? Anant Chauhan. Okay. And this is Shruti Chauhan. And this is Aparna Chauhan. Okay children. So 3 members in a family. This is a small family. And he is Anant Chauhan. This girl name is Aparna Chauhan. And this is Shruti Chauhan. Okay children. These are the members in a small family. Okay, only 3 members in a small family. Okay, what the mother will be doing here? Mother is preparing the food and the girl is helping to the mother and father is drinking the coffee. They are living in the kitchen now and they are discussing and they are spending time together and they are living very happily. Okay, in a small family only 3 members are there. Okay children. So Anand Chauhan is the father. Who is your father? Here Anand Chauhan is the father. What is the name of the mother? Shruti Chauhan. Shruti Chauhan is a mother and Aparna is a daughter to the Shruti and Anand Chauhan. Do you understand children? Do you know your mother father name? Okay, they are your parents. Types of family. Okay. First one is small family. Second one is joint family. How many types of families are there? There are 2 types of families. First one is small family and second one is joint family. Just now I explained about small family. So, how many members are there in a small family? 3 members. How many members are there? Did you see this picture, children, just before? Yes, there are 3 members in a small family. Who are they? Mother, father and daughter. Do you remember what are the names of the members? Mother name is? Come on, tell me. What is the name of the mother, children? Shruti Chauhan. So father name? Anand Chauhan. And what is the name of the daughter? Aparna. Aparna Chauhan. Okay. Shruti Chauhan is the mother. Anand Chauhan is the father. Aparna is the daughter. Okay. These 2 are parents and she is the daughter for them. Okay. So small family is a happy family. Why? Because in small family needs are very less. Okay. And we can easily fulfill our all likes, wishes and satisfactions, everything. Okay children? So, do you understand how small family is very happy family? Why? Because we have very less needs. So, we can easily happy and satisfied with what we have. Okay children? So, how many members are there in a small family? 3 members. Mother, father and children. Okay. So, who are there in this picture? Just now we observe now. Who are there in the picture? Shruti Chauhan, Anand Chauhan, Aparna Chauhan. Shruti is the mother, Anand Chauhan is the father and who is the daughter? What is your name? Here? Okay, your name is Sandy. But what is the name here? Here Aparna is the daughter. Okay children. In your family, how many members are there? Sandy? You also 3 members. Okay. Now, Jayashree, how many members are there in your family? Yes, very good. 4 members. Okay. So, these are the members in a family. This is about small family. Okay. Now, we will discuss about joint family. Okay, children? Joint family is our second topic. This is the second type of the family in our family. Okay. See children, this is the picture of joint family. See, what is the name here? Joint, joint family. So, see here, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather. These are the mother's parents. These are the father parents. So, joint family means grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children. Okay, observe carefully. See, grandmother, grandfather, parents, okay, uncle, aunts, children, okay, and cousins. These all living together in a joint family. Okay, how many members are there in a joint family? Many members. Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children. Okay, living in a place. The place is house is called a joint family. Joint family. Okay, just now we observed the picture now. How many members are there in that picture? Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, children. Total how many children are there in that picture? 4 children. And how many parents? Nishant parents and their cousins. Okay, and both parents of mother and father. Okay, children. So joint family means grandparents, mother, father, parents, aunt, uncle and children. See total how many members? Grandparents are 4, parents are 2, aunt, uncle 2 and children are 4. Count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. In a joint family, total how many members are there? 12 members are there. Okay. Grandparents. Whose grandparents? Mother of Shruti Chauhan and mother father of Anand Chauhan. Okay, children. So both the grandparents are there. Shruti Chauhan and Anand Chauhan, and Anand Chauhan's brother's husband and their children. Okay, children. So these many members are there in the joint family. More than 10. Okay. So how many members are there in a joint family? 12 members. Who are they? Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children. Okay. This is called joint family. Children, joint family is very big. Okay. So why it is very big? The people are many members. Okay. In joint family, many people are there. But in small family, 3 members only. So it is very small. Okay. Joint family is big. Small family is very small. Okay. And small family is a happy family. And joint family is also fun. Having fun. With the grandparents and parents, uncles, aunts. Many children are there, no? They live together and they play together. Okay. They are having fun also. They can easily share their works. They help each other. Okay. Grandparents will say stories to their children. Okay. And uncles and aunts will help in problems, in studies. Okay. So this is the joint family. So small family is also called as nuclear family. Okay, children. This is about our family. Now I will explain about relations. Okay. Do you know relations? What your mother's brother is called? What is your mother's father is called? Okay. Now I will explain. Let us see. Relations. Do you know relation between your mother and you? Your mother, you, daughter. Daughter and mother relation. And your mother and your mother's father relation. Father and daughter. Okay. Now let us see just like relations. Father's father. Do you know whose your father is? What you call your father's father? Do you know, children? Come on, tell me. Father's father is grandfather. In Telugu we call Tataya. Yes or no? Fathers, your father's father is grandfather. Suppose my father's mother. Who is my father's mother? What I will call? Grandmother. Ammamma. Yes or no? Father's brother. My father's brother is my uncle. Okay. And uncle's wife is aunt. What we call our uncle's wife? Aunt. Uncles and aunties' children are cousins. Once again, my father's father. My father is grandfather to me. Yes or no? He is a grandfather to me. My father's mother. Okay? I have father now. So my father has mother. Yes or no? Everybody has mother and father? Yes. So what we call our father's mother? Grandmother. Ammamma. Yes or no? Father's brother. My father's brother I call as uncle. Means babai or mamaya in Telugu. Okay? Do you understand? Uncle. Uncle's wife. Who is our uncle's wife? Aunt. Okay? Uncles and aunties, these children are our cousins. Yes or no? Yes. Do you understand? Grandfather's father is grandfather. Father's mother is grandmother. Father's brother is uncle. Uncle's wife aunt. Uncle and auntie's children are cousins. Okay? Do you understand? No? Mothers. See children, I have mother. Do you have mother? Yes, everybody have mother. Our mother's father is also grandfather. Father also grandfather. Mother also grandfather. Both are tataya only. Okay, grandfather only. Mother's mother, grandmother. Okay, mother's mother is also called as grandmother. Read with me children. Mother's brother. Your mother has brother? Yes. So what you call uncle? We call him as an uncle. Okay. If your mother had sister, we call her aunt. Okay. We call her aunt. Our mother's sister is an aunt to us. Okay. So if mother, father also grandfather, mother, father also grandfather. Okay, both are same only. Okay children, so do you understand the relations? Father's father, mother's father, both are grandfather. Mother's mother, father's mother also grandmother. Okay, mother's brother is uncle and father's brother also uncle. Mother's sister aunt. Okay, father's sister also aunt. Uncles and aunties' children are cousins. Okay, uncle, aunt, children. Cousins. Their children are cousins to us. Okay, do you understand the relation children? Okay. So today we discussed about family. Family is very important in our society. It holds an important place in the life. family is the first place where children learn many things. Okay. With the family, we will play, we will enjoy, we will go for picnic with our family. So, family has fun. Now, points to remember. What are the main points you have to keep in your mind? Now we will see. Okay, children? So, family. Family is with parents and children. There are two types of family. What are they? Can anyone say? Do you know? Two types? Yes. Very good. Small family. Second one is? Very good. Joint family. Okay. Mother, father, or parents. Okay, children? Family is with parents and children. Living together in a place is called a family. Family is with parents and children. This is the first point you have to remember. Second point is there are two types of families. Okay? What are they? Small family, joint family. Read with me, children. What is the third point? Mother, father, or parents. Okay. Fourth point is joint family is very big family. Joint family is very big family. Why? Because why? Come on, anyone tell me. Why? Because in that family many members are there. Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children. That's why it is called very big family. Okay. So family is with parents and children. There are two types of family. Small family, joint family. Mother, father or parents. Joint family is very big family. Small family is also called as nuclear family. Okay, what is the other name for small family? Nuclear family. Okay, joint family, big family. Okay, children, you understand? Now we will play a quiz. Okay. Now tell me the relations. Okay. Just before I explain now, you have to answer me. Okay. First one is mother's father. Come on, tell me, anyone? Just before I explain you, what I explained? Mother's father. What we call mother's father? Very good. Grandfather. Our mother father is grandfather. Now, second one, father's brother. Come on, tell me. Anyone? Guess. Father's brother is uncle. Very good. Now, next one. mother's sister. Who is what we call our mother's sister is aunt. Very good. Aunts and uncles children are what we say, our aunts and uncles children. Very good. Cousins. Very good. Excellent. Mother's father is grandfather. Father's brother is uncle. Mother's sister is aunt. Aunts, uncles, children are cousins. Very good. I hope you understand very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.